Hi everyone, today let's discuss about the dashboard of the project module. As you know, project is an important module in Odoo. So let's go to the project. Open the project. You can see the different stages of the project and also the projects listed each stage. So if I want to know the dashboard or the summary of these projects, so I can click on this three dot on a particular project, then click on dashboard under reporting. Here, you can see the details related to the project. Task, timesheet, extra time, plan, sales orders, there are many things. Then profitability, cost, then budget as well. So based on this, we will have an understanding or the summary of the project. Also, if I want to know all the documents connected with the project, document means the sales order, purchase order, invoice, expenses. For that, here you have an option. If you click here, you can see the drop-down list. I can select task, milestone, timesheets, planning, document, sales order, rental order. So whatever the related documents you want to see, you can see here like this. Suppose if it is done, if I want to know the sales orders related to this project, I can click on sales orders, so I can see all the sales orders which is related to this project. Timesheet, I can see here. Milestone, I can see here. So same way, I can update the project status on daily basis or weekly basis or monthly basis by clicking New. Suppose if I update the status for today, the date will come, and also the progress, whether the project is on track or at risk or on hold, like this. Once I save, it will show it in the dashboard. So we'll have an overall idea about the project from this dashboard. Thank you.